You know, I think if you can sing, you should sing all the time. And I don't know why I say if you can sing, because you got a voice, you can sing. I guess what I'm saying, make a joyful noise. Because I sing all the time. And I'm not the greatest. But I'll make a noise. Oh, I love to sing. Something about the name. It's the sweetest name. I know. Oh, how I love the name. It's the sweetest name. Yeah. Some people say I'm crazy about him. I can't explain the power that I feel when I call Christ's name. Said it's just like see Shande fire shot up in my bones. When the Holy Ghost gets to moving, said it won't leave me alone. Oh, sing it, y'all. Something about the name. It's the sweetest name. My Lord, I know. Oh, how I love the man. It's the sweetest name. Sweetest name. Oh, how I love you, Christ. God, give me the voice to sing for you. Oh, I sing all the time because I love you. And I love to sing. Hey. My Lord, the sweetest name I know. Oh. It's the sweetest name. The sweetest name I know. Good God. Just imagine if Lord, God, you bless me with a voice. Bless me with showing me how to work this thing. Because who else sounds like this? I mean, is it just a squeaking? And then I can get low on you? I mean, really. Show me how to control this thing. And we'll go do it.